Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and inside this video, I'm going to show you how to convert DNG presets into normal presets on your computer inside of Lightroom. Let's do it. So this video was actually prompted by a comment from Aaron who asked, hey, I want to know, can I get the presets on my phone onto my computer? So that's actually a really great question, and it's pretty simple to do. So I'm going to show you that right now. Now the process is actually really simple. All we need is the DNG files off our phone, so you can text those to yourself if you have iMessage, or you can Dropbox them, email them, get them from your phone onto your computer. Once you have those files, the presets are actually baked into these DNGs. So we can take these and go over into Lightroom, and we're just going to grab them and drag them into our library. Right? We're going to import those, not change any settings, and you can see that there are already presets applied to each of these photos for different looks. Now this is just off of our Genesis Lightroom Mobile pack. You can check it out if you're interested. I will leave a link below. But if we go over to the Develop module, you can see that this photo, even though we just imported it, already has a bunch of settings that have been changed. We've got a different tone curve, all of our different RGB values are different, our HSL panel has basically the entire preset is baked into this photo. So all we have to do from there is go over to Presets, hit this plus button, and go Create Preset. Now we can call this whatever we want. Since this is actually Signature Edits 1, that's the name of the DNG, I will just name it the same thing on my computer. And then I would go ahead and make sure I uncheck white balance, uncheck exposure, and uncheck local adjustments, because we don't want to copy those in this preset. Those are things that will set image to image, okay? And now we're just going to go over here where it says Create, bam, and you'll see at the bottom of our user presets, we now have one called Signature Edits 1. So if I reset this photo to its original state, and I hit Signature Edits 1, adjust my exposure, because remember, that is not part of the preset, we are exactly where we started. Now we can do the same thing with our other photos. We just go over to the next one. Again, we do the same thing, go up to plus, create preset. We call this Signature Edits 2, create, and down here it is. We do that with all of the presets that we have in DNG, and bam, you've converted your DNG presets into normal presets on your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button. Don't forget to smash subscribe for more great content. And if you actually want these presets for free, I'm going to leave a free download link below. You can check them out and download them right now. All right, take care and see you in the next one.